In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Google Docs. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily follow along and create a professional looking flowchart right within your Google Docs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open a web browser of your choice. This is where everything will begin. Once your browser is up and running, head over to google.com. This is the home page that will guide you into accessing all Google services. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account information. Begin by typing in your email address. Make sure to use the email linked to your Google account. After entering your email, hit the next button to proceed. You'll then need to enter your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly for a successful sign-in. Once done, click Next and you'll be logged into your account. Now that you're signed in, look for a small icon often shaped like a grid or box at the upper right corner of your screen. This icon enables you to navigate to various Google applications. Click this box to open a drop-down menu and then select Google Docs. This will take you to the Docs homepage where you can either create a new document or open an existing one. For today, we'll focus on creating a new document. Once Google Docs is open, make your way over to the top menu bar. Click on Insert to begin adding to your document. From this menu, select Drawing and then choose New. A new window will pop up. This is where you'll actually create your flowchart. Click on Shapes in this window, and a list of different shape options will appear. Choose the shapes that best represent different steps or processes within your flowchart, like rectangles for processes or diamonds for decision points. Start by adding a shape to this canvas. Click to place it, and then drag to adjust its size. You can add multiple shapes to build your flowchart structure. To connect these shapes, use lines that are accessible within the same shapes menu. These will help illustrate the flow and relationships between different steps. Simply click on a line and drag it between the shapes to connect them. Once your shapes are in place, add any necessary text by double-clicking inside a shape. This allows you to insert specific details or labels that are crucial for understanding the flowchart. Finally, when you're satisfied with your flowchart, click Save and Close. This action will insert your flowchart directly into your Google Doc, making it ready for any further edits or sharing as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a flowchart in Google Docs. I hope this guide has been both easy and helpful. Thank you for watching and happy charting.